It's been such a long day, I just want to go to bed.
Taylor, dude, wake up, dude, we're gonna go fishing. You're late, come on, grab your bag, let's go, come on. Let's go.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had
I said dirt. I see a dirt. Oh, he looked at me. What there? Oh yeah, you call him good. Graceful. This right here, this is the color of black bears. I know there's white, but it's really just black. And when they come by and they're walking down here and they brush their shoulder up and they scratched on the stick right here, that's why it's all torn off right here, you get these little markings, right? I know it should be fur, right? But actually bears also have this like layer of almost paint substance basically on their shoulders, and whenever they brush up on trees it rubs that off. It's a true fact.
Wow, very cool.
Getting red splotches on my arm. Could that be poison ivy?
What's the biggest fish you ever caught?
Biggest fish I've ever caught was probably 20-pound cabezon. I was fishing with my good bud Garrett over there, over on the ocean by Newport. And it was really mainly just a crabbing trip, and we thought, hey, let's go out into the water and catch some fish, you know? Have a little fun. And he wasn't feeling too good, so it was really just me fishing and maybe his dad too, I can't remember. And I hooked into this fish with this light tackle. It was really fun. I hooked into this monster fish and I thought it was a big whale or something. But really it was just a cabezon, but it was a nice cabezon, probably three feet, you know, it was nice.
Wow. So, why do you enjoy fishing with Fendall?
I enjoy fishing with Fendall. Me and Mr. Fendall go way back in our fishing careers. We started out when we were about, 4, going into the old kiddie ponds with the little dinky fish poles with the weights on and stuff. I enjoy him because, I don't know, do I like him?
I'm the man. Well, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody.
Alright, so this spot over here we thought was especially good because, well, as you can tell, it's very cleared out, right? And this water, you can tell, there's a ripple right below. So these fish are going to be pulling up right above that ripple, right? And then there's also a few little log spots like right there that are going to be holding water, or they're going to be pushing water up and making these little eddies beneath it. And that's where fish are going to be holding.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep.
Alright guys, we're out here, really pounding the water today. Trying to get a few trout in our bag, you know what we're doing. Tossing a little black nymph, beadhead nymph down the stream. Putting it in this little shallow eddy area. see if I can swing it back in for a couple bites, but I haven't been getting anything. Still pretty early in the day though, so I'm not gonna let up. Feeling good about this spot though, you know, I'm really feeling good about it.
Parkour.
Pure, raw, untapped athleticism. There's honestly no fish in this creek. Couldn't agree more. There's absolutely nothing in this place.
So you're saying it's good?
No. We're good fishermen, right?
We
know what we're doing. We're professionals. We've been doing this forever. And when we get skunked like this, you know it's really bad.
Yeah.
But it only makes sense. We know there's no fish. Yeah. I mean, we knew it all along. We just needed some good confidence.
So what happened to the fish?
Oh, they died. No.
Where?
Yeah, it's global warming. Shout out to you, Brady Coon.
Cast, Garrett.
Alright guys, I gotta go take a pee. I'll be right back.
All right, see ya, man. How bad are rattlesnakes if they bite you?
You can die.
Really?
Oh yeah, easily.
Dude,
Especially the baby ones.
for real?
Yeah, because they can't control their venom.
What noise do rattlesnakes make?
But it's more like...
Oh, like Dylan? Dude, I think Taylor just screamed.
Hey Tay, you good? Yo, Taylor.
Taylor!
Look at my leg right here.
No.
What?
Oh my.
Taylor.
Dude, are you okay?
What are we supposed to do? We're out in the middle of nowhere.
Someone piss on it.
That's not a rattlesnake bite. That's a stingray
I'll suck
sting.
it out.
It ain't my fault.